Let's unbox DJI Mic Mini. Hi everybody, my name is Kate. If you're new to this channel, I do vlogs, unboxing and hauls, so if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe down there. And for today's video, we have a very exciting thing. It's the new DJI Mic Mini. If you're wondering, I'm not using the microphone right now, so the sound is very raw right now. I decided to go with the DJI Mic Mini. It was between this and Rode microphone, but I decided to go with this one because as a beginner I don't know much about microphones, and the Rode one was pretty expensive. This was like half price more or less, so yeah, I decided to go with this, and let's see what's inside. In the box we have receiver, 2 of the transmitters, charging case, carrying pouch, clip magnet, 2 of them, mobile phone adapter, windscreen, 4 of them, camera audio cable, USB-C charging cable, and some documents. So here is the back, and here is everything in the box. We have the instructions, which I'm gonna see later, but we also have this cool pouch, and let's see what's inside. 100% polyester, okay, and it looks like this. Really, actually it's pretty handy. It has a handle so you can take it on a trip or something like that, and you don't have to worry about losing all the stuff. We have the mini wind screens, so let's open that. Oh, so cute, so fluffy. We have 2 kinds of windscreens. One is the black and one is the grayish one. I don't know if they have any like difference in sound or whatever, or it's just for look. We have the cable for the camera. This is the cable for the camera. This is the cable for the phone, and of course we have our little case. So it looks like this. So you need to press this button and just pull up, and this is what's inside. So we have the Mic Mini. We have the Mic Mini here. It's super small, just like on my hand is pretty small, but that's cool. So other than the microphone is of course the receiver, which is also pretty small. It looks like it's already pre-charged, so I will just try on my camera and be right back. That is the sound without anything, just my normal Canon camera sound. And now let's see how it sounds with the microphone. Okay, so I just put the microphone in, and is there a difference? Maybe. Does it work? Or did I do something wrong? I don't know, I'm just a girl. Let's try this again because I put some settings differently on my Canon, so now should be better, because I was hearing some clipping and I didn't like that. So does it sound better? Maybe yes, maybe no. I will see. Okay, so I had some technical issues with my camera. I don't know why it's resetting my manual settings for audio, but weird. Hope the sound now is good. And yeah, let's do the testing with my dehumidifier. I'm gonna put on my dehumidifier and let's see if my microphone noise reduction works. Here is the microphone without background noise reduced, and yeah, it's pretty loud. I think you can hear that. And now I'm gonna turn on the noise reducing, so I'm just gonna press this once and it's glowing yellow. So now the humidifier should be less noticeable. But yeah, let me know if the difference is good or not that strong. Okay, so that is it for today's video. Guys, let me know if you hear the difference in the sound, if it's better or worse than before. I hope it's better. But yeah, that is it for today. Subscribe if you like videos like this, and I will see you soon. Bye!